Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with the right file. Choose a high-resolution photo so details remain sharp on the tiny display. Once picked, make sure the image is accessible on your phone or cloud. This saves time when syncing. Open the Watch Companion app now and pick the Profile or Watch Face section. This is where you add images. You do this first because correcting resolution or orientation later is harder. Getting the file ready prevents pixelation and misplaced faces when you crop and position it. Now you edit. Crop to the watch's template, square or circle, so nothing vital gets clipped. You should center the subject because many watches mask corners. This preserves composition. Fine-tune exposure, contrast, and a touch of sharpening to improve readability from a distance. Once done, use the app's reposition and zoom tools to nudge the subject into the exact spot the watch will show. Make sure to preview at actual size. That reveals how details read on the wrist. Finish by saving the edited image and initiating sync to the watch through the companion app. This transfers the file and applies the face or profile. Once synced, check the watch in daylight and in different angles to confirm legibility and that no crucial details are cut off. If it looks off, re-edit the crop and resync. That fixes alignment issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't appear, force quit the app, clear its cache, and repeat the sync. This resolves most stuck updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.